That is what I was saying. You know, when a man has a problem, a lot of things are bothering me. I'm a mom born. There's something that be bothering me in this house.
Say it.
Do you know that I wanted to make you my Yabeji?
Continue.
But since I married you into this family, you have refused to give me a child.
Apostle, we
I have
have
not heard any cry of a baby, and that is giving me concern. Even my family.
Papa on board. Before you come my papa house, come marry me, you get belly. Yes. Do your own first now before I go do my own. Sure, what happen?
So you are using my condition to judge me.
Exactly.
You are using my condition to judge me, but I want to tell you something. Even your father and your mother, your parents are just like me. This is the enjoyment that I've enjoyed due to Owambe.
We do keep
Because you know, in Yoruba nation, we like to enjoy. We like to party. That is why even in your family, do you have anybody that has body like me?
Which fat? What kind of fat they do?
Because you people don't enjoy life, all you know is business. But I'm telling you, because of Owambe, it's enjoyment that is giving me my stomach. So why are you complaining? Papa, what I'm telling you is that if you don't take time, I'm going to take a particular drastic measure. The measure I'm going to take is that I'm going to get another woman.
Papa, God, now you cheat on me.
Jesus is Lord.
I'm going to get another woman.
I will tear her.
You don't want to give me a baby. You don't want to give me a baby, and you don't want me to get another woman. If I got another woman, I will know if the condition is bad condition from me or is a good condition from you. But if I marry another woman, the person gives me a child. Maybe I'm on it. If somebody gives me
too much.
my Yabeji.
I will be your Yabeji. For your own first.
How many times would they tell
You see,
you?
that is the problem we have.
Ayédorí kọjọ yẹni mọ́. Ibo là ń lọ ènìyàn ó sùn nìyẹn.